Here is my LEGO Technic 1970 Dodge Charger RT. It's a bit of an unusual model for me because it's got a full brick-built body, but it's also got my near hobby RC electronics. So it's got lots of power. It's got a servo in there for steering and rear-wheel drive. It's a differential. Motor is there, differential is back there. Now, witness a combination of one-handed driving and a car that can't handle its power. It would be nice to drive in a straight line once in a while. At moderate throttle, you can actually get good speed. At full throttle, you get burnout and broken parts. Fun to try hot laps with cars like this. This one will probably be an interesting experiment. Although, hopefully not hitting the posts on the walls. This is one car where you do not want to use full throttle in order to go fast. Because even moderate throttle will get you out of control. Yeah, that's what I was hoping wouldn't happen. Wow, that took a while to land. Well, might as well finish the lap. Uh-oh. Something bad just happened. Oh, I just melted my axle in two. See that? That used to be a 5-long axle in there. Holding on that, gear. Now it is a melted glob of plastic. That puts it into my driving for tonight. I'm pretty confident. These motors are too powerful for LEGO. Anyways, this car looked good before it blew up, and with proper restraint, could be pretty fun to drive. And with improper restraint, it could be fun to do burnouts. So, it was a very interesting model, just the system bodywork. I was happy with how it looked, and more or less how it performed. Performed about as well as something could at this scale, I suppose. Yeah, I'm